Domain settings can be found underneath your account settings. In here, you can add a new domain by typing in the URL and selecting from the drop-down. Once you select it, you'll see that there's two different options. You can either choose to change your settings for all emails for Stitch Golf, or the browser pop-up notifications, which only work when you have one of our extensions installed. In this example, I'm going to block all emails from Stitch Golf permanently. In addition, I'm going to choose to leave the pop-ups because I'll show you if I'm on their site and I click around, we have a pop-up that shows up to notify you that we've blocked emails from this sender. Now, if I go back to the domains page and I choose to block it for 24 hours, you'll see how long it is snoozed for. And then when I refresh the page and go anywhere else on the site, you'll notice that the pop-up no longer appears on the page whatsoever.